Well, in regard with the loss of human life, we are yet to get any sort of update. But yes, what we have been seeing is that right now, as the Met Department has issued warning, and also they are constantly heavy to very heavy rains which have been going on since yesterday morning, and right now also there is heavy breeze, high winds with almost at the speed of 75 to 85 kilometers per hour. The heavy rains which have been constantly going on this is all due to the impact of cyclone Fingal, and also at the same time we have been seeing that what the Met Department officials have been stating is that what we have been seeing is that the Met Department has given a statement where they say that on the north coastal Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, the cyclone Fingal remained partly statutory during the last 1 hour and laid center at around 12:30 hours, and also at the same time over the same region near latitude of 12, and also at the same time the cyclone Fingal is very close to Pondicherry, and also the cyclonic storm with a wind of almost 65 to 75 kilometers per hour, gusting to 85 is what the Met Department has also stated. And also at the same time what we have been seeing is that the authorities also have the Chennai airport authorities have also given out a statement where they have been saying where the authorities have been saying that the Chennai airport will remain shut till 1 p.m. is what they have been stating. And also the passengers have been asked to make sure that they check with the airlines in regard with the airlines, and also how what would be the flights which would be rescheduled. We'll just try and pan around and show you how, due to this severe rains which have been going on in the last 24 to 48 hours here in Puducherry, where as we are reporting, you can see how there has been a severe waterlogging which you see here just on the roads of Mudra. There are trees which have fallen down. People have been struggling to move around from one place to other place. As you can see, the situation is now turning grim. As you can see how people are trying to move from one side of the road to other side of the road. But yes, we also have been seeing that how the Met Department have also, there is still continuous red alert which has been issued to the people, not only in Puducherry but in various districts of Tamil Nadu, also in the Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh as well. There is red alert which has been issued with heavy to very heavy rains due to the cyclonic storm Fingal, which had already started its landfall last evening, but then it remains statutory is what the Met Department officials say. So we'll have to see how and what would be the impact of this. Well, what we have been seeing is that due to heavy rains, many places have been witnessing severe waterlogging, severe flooding-like situations, especially in Chennai. When we talk about, there has been severe flooding in various places of Chennai, and also due to which in Tamil Nadu, 3 people have lost their life. But also, what would be the exact number? We are yet to get more details on that. But as of now, 3 people have lost their life is what there is an update which we have been getting. And also what we see is that now due to the red alert and due to the cyclone, the winds have the wind speed is almost at 65 to 75 kilometers per hour, and also there are continuous rains which have been going on here in Puducherry and also in various districts of Tamil Nadu and also in Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh as well. So we'll have to see what would be the next update in regard with the cyclone, because it is said that it has been remained statutory at almost near to Puducherry in the coastal area. Cyclone Fingal, which began its landfall on Saturday evening, well, now we see red alert also being issued at various places. As you can see, severe waterlogging and also trees have fallen at many of the locations, people struggling to move from one place to another place, and also at the same time the Met Department officials say that the cyclone Fengal remains statutory at a point, and also it is very close to Puducherry, and also at the same time now the Chennai airport authorities have stated that the airport will remain closed till 1 p.m. So after 1 p.m. the airport would be operational is what the airport authorities say. We'll bring you all the latest updates on Cyclone Fengal from Puducherry. Keep watching Republic TV.